Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Starting off the day strong. I'm about to go drop off an order for one of you guys. Shout out to you. Shipping it out to Florida. So I think this is already like a third or fourth order I ship out to Florida. So that's amazing. And I came to a body shop right here just to try to get a quote for the hood. I obviously know that you got to go to different shops. Oh, check out this car over here. Nice. Vintage cars are always the nicest. I obviously know that with paint it is a little bit expensive and quality is always there, but there's a difference between getting it at a fair price with good quality versus getting ripped off and it being semi-good quality. I went on Yelp to look at different body shops. For some reason every single shop in Yelp has 5 stars, so it's kind of hard to go based off that for some reason. But I came here. This one looked like it had some good reviews, and I noticed that like 7 years ago they did a World Rally Blue. So I was like, okay, maybe, you know, they kind of know what they're doing. I told him exactly how I wanted it, and he told me that some areas it won't come out the best because it's wavy. I think it's just based off the mold, how it prints it, and I'm just like, hey, not a big deal. But obviously I want the paint to be as close to the body as possible. Trying to figure out this guy's going or no. Okay. And then he quoted me $800. $800 for the hood I think is a little excessive. My price range is between like $300 to $400. I honestly think that's pretty fair, but could be wrong. Maybe that those are like prices from like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, but when I'm doing the math, I think that's honestly a fair price in my opinion. Just got done dropping out the package. I just found the second body shop I'm gonna go check out. I gotta be really picky on what body shop I go to just cause, you know, maybe the price could be $800, but is the service and quality of the paint job really gonna be that great? Sometimes you might pay a lot, but it's scraped. But the quality you get isn't the best. Christmas, I think.
Of that generation.
Yeah, that seems nice. Look at that. And they're pretty nice. You know this one, Luis? Sure drifts back right here. So my brother has one, and I kind of like.
He still has it?
He still has it, but he hasn't been using it. So I'm. 240 problems. 240 problems.
Good, because you remember the Focus RS?
Yeah.
It will have problems
So
when you switch.
that's some people are having like overheating issues.
With this one?
Yeah, but it's with the all-wheel drive system. It's not with like the rear-wheel drive system.
So the next generation comes out.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for them to like upgrade the interior and then make it worth it.
Oh wow. So the interior is just like another Toyota Corolla.
Literally just
Exact
Toyota
same
Corolla,
thing.
yeah.
They didn't add anything that made you think that you're in a sports car.
Nope, I don't even think it. Besides maybe the steering wheel saying GR, that's about it.
Nice.
Dude, that thing's hella nice. Lex Motorsports.
Fuck.
Damn, carbon fiber hood and everything. APR brakes. That thing's hella nice.
Bro, it's just...
They stop right here, so flip it.
What year do you think it is?
Probably 09, maybe. It might be a Superleggera. It's a LP 560, so I think this is the all-wheel drive one. It's an E-gear, so it's a little bit cheaper than the manual ones. Those are more like sought after.
Is that one?
Dude, yeah.
What feature?
It looks like a DeLorean, but no.
Oh, no, the DeLorean?
Lancia. Never heard of this. So the brand is a Lancia. And the model's a Scorpion. Yeah, that's a small ass engine.